Hi friends, today I don't have a new spoiler, I'm sorry, but I do have a new incentive from Boxycharm, and also he has boosted up the amount of charms you receive for doing certain things on the channel. So I just wanted to get with you and discuss these new things that are happening with Boxycharm. But before we begin, remember I have the giveaway for this month going on. You can win ABH Soft Glam Palette plus BH Cosmetics Carly Bible 21 pan palette and a set of ABH mini lipsticks. It's a set of 4. Just watch my giveaway video. It has all the instructions in that, and subscribers, remember to make a comment under this video to get extra entries in the giveaway. First thing, from today until the 23rd, which is Saturday, if you get someone to join Boxycharm, or if you're not subscribe to Boxycharm, you will receive a free Cover FX enhancer drops as a bonus gift if you subscribe to Boxycharm. And if you subscribe through my link, I will also get a Cover FX Boxycharm. If I get 5 people to join, all 5 people, or how many join, will each get a Cover FX enhancer drops. I only get 1. But if a subscriber who is subscribed to Boxycharm, as of right now, if you get somebody to join Boxycharm and they use your link or your code, you get a Cover FX enhancer drop, and so does the person who joins. So this is just for a limited time, he said, or until his products run out. So you need to get into this right now. And on the screen I have what the Cover FX drops look like. These enhancer drops are ultra concentrated, and they're for illuminating and bronzing. It's formulated with a high concentration of really finely crushed pearls, and you use it to highlight. You can use it directly on your highlight points like your cheeks or the tip of your nose. Or what I used to do, I used to put a few, like 3 drops in my foundation, and I'd mix it in, and it really gives you a really soft, subtle glow. And the more drops you put, the more of a glow you have. You can also put them in your skincare products if you're not putting makeup on for a nice natural look. But from a person who has used these drops, I know they are very good, and I ran out. I want to buy some more, so I hope somebody subscribes with my link, and maybe I'll get a free one. So these drops sell for $42, and they come in 7 colors. I don't know what color he has, but this is a good product to get. If you've been thinking about subscribing to Boxycharm, or you know somebody who wants Boxycharm, now's the time for you to get them to join, because you get this free product. So friends, that's one way you can earn points. If you get a friend to join through your link, you get 750 bonus points rather than 500. It's just good for 3 more days. So once you get to this screen where this lady is, all you do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you can either put a friend's email address here. If you are a channel, you should have your URL at the bottom of your page so someone can just click on it. If you're a subscriber without a channel, just give whoever you got to join your subscriber code, which is at the right side on the bottom. Give you the enhancer drops and the points. You see on the right hand side here, it has your referral code. All they need to do is put in this little code when they purchase, when they get to the purchase screen, when they're paying for it. And you will get the 750 points plus the cover FX drops. Now, if you're joining through my link, all you do is click on my link under this page, and that's it. Another way you can earn Boxycharm points is, if you look at the top of the page, you'll see to the top left corner Boxycharm. If you go 4 items over, you'll see product review. Click the arrow, and then you can pick the month you want to review. It's the June 2018 month, and you see 4 products in the screen. If you scroll down, you'll get them all. From here, I picked the Alamore Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. So from this screen, you want to click Add Your Review. And here he wants you to put an honest review. He said that's the only way he's going to know if products aren't working out or people just don't like the product. So make sure you put an honest review. You can give it a title, just something very simple. Loved it, hated it, eyeshadows too not pigmented, whatever you think of the product. And from here, when you're finished, you press submit. And after you submit it, up until this Saturday, he's going to give you 100 points instead of 50 for every item reviewed. You can do past months, you can do as many as you want. Normally, you get 50 points to review a product. So you're getting double the points. It's really worth it. And another thing I want you to note, he mentioned that this Friday they would be refilling the charm room. So you may want to check it then. Normally, from what I understand, they usually refill it on Fridays. It's not set in stone, but typically they say they do refill it on Friday. So that is a good day to check. And like if you see an item that's $10, that will cost you 1,000 points. If you see an item that's $28.50, that's 2,850 points. So that's how that works. Until I get another spoiler, that's it. Remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. I'd really love to have you. And all my subscribers, take care. And until I see you again, bye.